So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Royal Air Force Red Arrows in England. This was £12.99. They're also, they do shows in Scotland, England, Northern Ireland, and Wales, I guess. So I got this at the National Museum of Flight in Scotland, and if you're ever in Scotland, in the Edinburgh area, I'd recommend that you check out the museum if you like planes. It's very interesting. So I'm just going to open it. Here it is. Now I'm gonna get some scissors and cut it out. Anyway, this is what the box looks like. As you can see, it comes in a stand, so I'll definitely be putting it up there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye.